I have spotted the kingfisher bird, and there you see the kingfisher bird. Very nice. Kingfisher bird sitting on the coconut tree. Wow, what a very nice sight. It's in the background, and I'm trying to take a close up. Actually, he has come to catch the fish. You can see the pond nearby, and he is sitting on the branch of a coconut tree. There you see, he's sitting on the branch of a coconut tree. This is a very nice sight. See, there you see the kingfisher bird. See. Kingfisher bird, this is called as a common throated kingfisher. These birds you can often find near the ponds because they eat the fish, and there it is, a very nice close up. Kingfisher bird, common throated kingfisher, white throated kingfisher. This is a very nice sight. There you see the kingfisher bird sitting on the coconut tree. So do give your likes and comments on Travel Pradesh and keep watching. Nice little sight of kingfisher bird. There you see the long beak, very long beak. Nice, very nice close up. And the pond in the background, and the birds come actually to catch the fish. Kingfisher bird. So do keep watching on Travel Pradesh and give your comments and likes. Thanks for watching.